Today I'm going to show you how to make your own cheap pocket reflector. The things you need are scissors, aluminium foil, duct tape. It might be difficult to see on the video, but the aluminium foil have two sides. One very shiny and one kind of matte. I personally find the matte side better because it produces more even result, and that's what I like best. So roll out some piece of aluminium foil. Take your scissor and cut it. It doesn't have to be a perfect cut, because aluminium foil are very flexible, so you can adjust the size afterwards as well. Since I'm going to have the matte side as my front, I'm going to choose the shiny side to be upwards when I'm working. It's important to make sure that you are overlapping when you're using duct tape. If you don't overlap, you might tear apart your reflector. So when I have an even surface, what I like to do now are to add a frame to protect my reflector. Amazing! Now what I like to do are to rough up the reflector. It might be my imagination, but I feel I get a better reflection when it's roughed up. Or maybe I just like roughing shit up. Ah, look at that. Now, of course, there are many other things you can do now. If you want to make this bigger, just cut off the frame and then just make another one and just overlap just like you did when you made the reflector. You can also add like hooks and steel wire or other type of wire and strings. Of course, you can add a solid surface. Now this is just cardboard, but you can use wood or steel or any other crazy surface that you want to use. And you can probably just glue this right on, or you can just hold it like this if you want to have it flat. Now that was not perfect, but life is not perfect. And yeah, of course you can also make this in round shapes and other weird funny shapes that you would like to add make them in. Feel free to go nuts. Now these things are so cheap, they are practically free. They're also easy to use and super easy to make. They're also super durable, so breaking them takes a real effort. Since they are so light, you can take them and duct tape them onto a wall or onto a ceiling if you need. This is a tool for the creative mind, so do have fun with this and experiment. Now go and make yourself a pocket reflector. Good luck!